Today we're looking at Fizzbuzz in CoffeeScript. So what is Fizzbuzz, right? Fizzbuzz is a common interview question that you could get, and it basically, you have to print the numbers between 1 and 100, but it's not quite that easy, right? So if a number is divisible by 3 and 5, then you want to print Fizzbuzz. If it's divisible by 3, print Fizz, and if it's divisible by 5, print Buzz. If it's none of those, just print the number back. So to get started, go ahead and globally install CoffeeScript, and then npm install EasyRead and Ramda, and add these two lines to the top of your function, at the top of your file. Now let's start by looking at line 4. We have a Fizzbuzz function here, and this takes in just one number at a time and prints Fizzbuzz, Fizzbuzz, or the number. So let's take a look at a switch statement. A little bit different than JavaScript if you're used to it. The switch statements are a little bit different, but you could be able to follow along. When a number is divisible by 3 and 5, then print Fizzbuzz. Of course, you could then say when number is divisible by 15, print Fizzbuzz, but I think it's more clear to say divisible by 3 and divisible by 5. It just makes more sense to me. If that's not the case, then when a number is divisible by 3, print Fizz. If it's divisible by 5, print Buzz. Now the order does matter here. If you take this and you put it at the bottom, it'll never reach this line because it's always going to be divisible by 3 or 5 before it gets to this line. So it'll never reach here. So the order does matter here. You want the more specific thing at the top of your switch statement. Else, if it's none of these, you're just going to return the number. So these don't actually print. I've been saying that wrong. It just returns. We're going to print down here. So let's look at line 11. In CoffeeScript, to make an array from 1 to 100, we just add array brackets and we do 1 dot dot 100, and that gives us an array from 1 to 100. We're using this map statement from Ramda. So what we're doing is we're saying take each number from 1 to 100 and put it into this Fizzbuzz function and return a result. So in 1's case, it'll be 1, 2, 2, 3, it'll be Fizz, 4, 4, 5, Buzz, and when you get to 15, it'll be Fizzbuzz. And then take all those things from 1 to 100, those new results, and print them. So let's save it. As you can see at the bottom, we already ran it, but let's run it again. Here we go. And you're going to see Fizzbuzz. So let's just take a look here. 1 to Fizz, right, because it's divisible by 3, but not 5. 5 is Buzz because it's divisible by 5 and not 3. And then if we go to 15, it should say Fizzbuzz because it's divisible by 5 and 3. So that's Fizzbuzz in CoffeeScript. If you like this, please give it a follow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.